Experience Hanoi like never before in this immersive 360-degree VR PoV tour. Buckle up for this 8-day Vietnam adventure. We're going to try Banh Mi.
Iced coconut coffee.
Iced coffee, okay.
I'm sorry.
Can we have the chicken? Is there chicken there?
Grilled chicken with cheese.
Chicken number 1, right?
Yes.
Yeah, cucumber, carrot, coriander, and chili inside, okay?
Yes.
No
No coriander.
coriander.
Okay.
Ano drink mo?
Which one did you order?
Yung ano? Coconut.
Coconut.
Gusto mo ano? Ito.
Mm.
One, number 2.
Number
Swada.
2, with ice.
Yes, with
Okay.
ice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Cash.
This is the coconut coffee.
Yep.
And this is the cafe one. So essentially coffee with milk.
Milk.
Milk. We ordered the pork chicken, the pork belly, and the other one here is chicken. For mine, I asked for the coriander to be removed. I'm not a fan of that. Look at that. Looks delicious. What I normally like about the bun here is that the bun is crispy but not also too hard. Let's dig in.
Yung ano, day to day.
What day is today? What day is today? April
April 6.
6. So this should still be here once we go back. So if you are going to buy takeout, buy here. If you're going to dine in, go to the one right across the street. Their banh mi is very good. This is it, the 1-star Michelin restaurant. So we reserved 3 weeks ago. Otherwise, you're going to fall in line. It's a very long line. Okay, so this one, why is it very far from the other one? Maybe this is an auxiliary spot. Okay, there's another Tam Vi here. Oh, this one is more relaxing. The other one, there's a lot of people already there.
So hot,
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Do you have water? Thank you. Wait, isa pa.
Bilis eh.
Ganda ng kanin nila dito, grabe.
So how am I going to use this chopstick also? Oh. This is a serving spoon. So the food was good. It was not extraordinary in that sense, but I wouldn't contest a Michelin star. What I really liked was the morning glory. When I tasted the pork rind, it was quite different. So very well made. We're here in the train street. So my wife suggested that there should be someone that we contact already because some are scammers around. So she already contacted local coffee area. So one of the person from that coffee area met us. So we're on the way.
Yeah, it's like my life plan right now. Fuck yeah, dude.
It's so good.
It's a long street with several countries. We're going to wait here for the train in the next few minutes. And I will invite you to stay with us. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hi,
Just family
Rose.
thing coming right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it was I don't know, perhaps the wait leading to it is a bit relaxing. You're drinking coffee or drinking coke, having some dessert. But the train was a bit of a scary experience. So it's right in front of you. The reality is any mistake that you make will get you to the hospital.